Alright, so what do we have here? What we have here is original fog lights, rear fog lights for Mercedes-Benz CLS W218. They don't make them in US. They only make them once for the European versions. So what this looks like is pretty much there we go. Here it is. It goes like this. There's a one connector back there, which I have back in there. I'm gonna link this in the bio. It was bigger than this actual size, but I cut it out, trim it down, extra plastic pieces, so it could fit perfectly. It just goes bam, and then you could connect it to two wires and run it to the back of your tail light, and it just goes. Alright, so this is an aftermarket diffuser for the CLS W218. There's two brackets in there where the fog light just sits, and you do need to buy the aftermarket diffuser. OEM diffuser does not come with this cutout hole for the fog light. Test fitting the light right now, so this is what's gonna look like from afar. Okay, so you run the wires all the way from inside, so you wire it, and then you have to connect it to the tail light, and that's the tail light pin.